There is a Discord user that is completely invisible. Like, this is messages that this dude sends. There's nothing. All I see is a timestamp. So we're gonna look into why this is a thing, because they're sort of breaking Discord and it's really funny. So click subscribe for more crazy things like this. Basically, this dude is non-existent. He's invisible. So when I first saw this, I was in a server and I saw him typing and I was like, what the heck? Is my Discord glitching out? Because, you know, sometimes people will send emojis and they won't show for a little bit, and I just assume it's my forest Wi-Fi being really bad, which it usually is. And so that's what I thought was going on here. His profile just wasn't loading, and I was so confused as to why that's happening. Like, if you go to try and DM him, this happens. He has no name, he has no profile picture. If you look at messages, he types no name, no profile picture. And it's not like he's using like a gray profile picture, because I use the sort of Discord Nitro background where it's a gradient. So on the whole Discord interface, the color is different. So it is a real invisible picture. Like, there's no profile at all. Like, it's super funny. If you click on his user profile, look at that. No profile picture. It changes from the purple to the gray. This is a black background. Black profile picture. So you can tell for 100% it's invisible. It has to be invisible because you can't get one that changes colors depending on what you're clicking on, right? So this one was just super weird. So how the heck is this a thing? Well, I use a Discord bot to try and figure out what he was using for a profile image, right? And this is what it spat out. It's just loading. It doesn't like to load this image for some reason. So somehow this guy, he's actually one of my friends, this guy, he's cool. Somehow he got to use a glitched out image as his profile picture. Like, I've tried to take this image and make it my own profile picture and it doesn't work. So I thought it was just like a transparent image, but that might not fully be the case because it's just not working. It's broken. He somehow used a completely broken profile picture and it's pretty confusing. Now, what about the name? Well, the name is a bit easier to figure out, so all you have to do is select like his name and copy and paste it. So that's what I did. I figured out what characters are in his name using this character identifier. Is using this right here. It's just a weird Unicode character, U1CBC, which is basically just an invisible character. I don't know why all these weird invisible things exist, but they do, and so that is all his name is. He just made it completely invisible. Because he still has a name, like right here, if you can see when I hover over his name, the blue lines pops up because that's just how Discord works. So he still technically has a name, you just can't see it. And then of course, as for the invisible messages, same thing. He's just sending these characters again. So all you can see, it's like super funny. All there is a timestamp for his messages. And it makes Discord look like it's freaking bugging out. It's really funny. Now it is kind of interesting. This usually works on most platforms except for like iPhone. So on iPhone, that's what the the name looks like. I guess the iPhones don't like certain characters. It's kind of weird. But yeah, look, no one is typing. Like, what? Message at. It's super funny. That's just one of my friends being weird on Discord. It happens sometimes. So thank you for watching this one. Click subscribe for more crazy things like this on the internet, because there's always something new. So I love you, and fly on.